we're still in 5.3, and in the previous examples we talked about using the sum and difference formulas to evaluate certain unfriendly angles. Now, we're not necessarily going to get back into friendly angles in this one, but I want to show you how you can use these formulas in reverse, because there are times where you don't need exact values and you can just go to any numbers that you like. We're going to use these formulas in reverse and just see what they came from, basically. So we're looking at this first one right here. You'll notice there is sine, cosine, there's a minus in the middle, and there's cosine, sine. So what we're going to do with this is we're going to go up to the top and kind of just locate which one it is that looks most like this. Now if I call these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, that'll help us reference those. And so if I'm looking at this one here, it appears that we've got number 2, sine, cosine, minus cosine, sine. It just so happens here that 42 is going to be u and 17 is going to be v. So if you go backwards here, you'll notice that it's sine of u minus v. That means in this case we're going to say that it's the same as sine of 42 minus 17, which of course is just 25. So sine of 25 is basically what this came from. Now again, we're not using special angles. We don't have anything going on with special angles here. It's just getting used to how we can use these formulas. Next one, tangent. Which one is it most like? Oh, I forgot to mention this one was like 2. This one, since we got a plus on the top and a minus on the bottom, this is most like 5. So we have tangent of u and v, so this one's going to be u, this one's going to be v, and then we're going to do a plus in this case. So this one is going to be tangent of 19 plus 47, which is tangent of 66. That's where this one is coming from. Last example, we got a cosine. Notice it's cosine, cosine, sine, sine, and there's a plus in the middle, so that looks like number 4. So we got the plus in the middle. Notice that it's a minus for this cosine. Well, this one is u, this one's v, so you actually don't have to do much with this other than just plug them in. Cosine of u minus v, so that's pi over 7 minus x. And that's it as far as this one goes. We can't simplify that one any further. This is using the formulas in reverse. This is just a way to show you what they came from. And sometimes it can be useful. It depends on which direction you want to go. And maybe that's in a proof, maybe it's in an evaluating problem like these. But either way, it's good to know the formulas forward and backward.